LCD replacement, and deep cleaning on Asus GL753VE-GC032T gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Glenn, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional shop for LCD replacement and deep cleaning is a wise and practical choice to restore its functionality, improve performance, and extend its lifespan. A damaged or malfunctioning LCD screen can significantly impact usability, causing issues such as flickering, dead pixels, discoloration, cracks, or complete display failure. In addition, deep cleaning is an essential maintenance step that helps keep your laptop running at optimal performance. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside the laptop, particularly around cooling fans, heat sinks, and ventilation areas. This buildup can obstruct airflow, leading to overheating. 101. Reduced efficiency and potential hardware damage. At PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. LCD replacement and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.